Welcome to OBDsync, I'm Jason, and in this episode we're going through how to program a replacement instrument panel cluster for a Holden VE Commodore. First off, we'll go to the vehicle button and then go to the instrument panel cluster tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. We'll show the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once loaded in, we'll go to the configuration tab, and this is where we can start selecting our settings. So this vehicle is a two-door utility, so a ute. Our engine is an L76, so we're going to scroll down. We'll go to that one. Transmission is MYC, the 6-speed auto. So if you want to know what your vehicle is, if you go to that home screen, you'll see all the RPOs, and that will actually tell you what the car is. So if you see MYC, would have an RPO for MYC. So that's how we know that's what that is to set it correctly. Suspension is FE2. We're Australia. We do have full nav on this one. Going down, we also have TPMS on this one, and everything else looks okay here. There's no other settings that we want to change there. So once we're ready, once we're good to go, we'll go ahead and click on the right button. This takes a few moments to complete. And that's now all completed. We can then head up to the learn function, do our final procedure, which is our VIN Security Link. So press go. Again, it only takes a couple seconds. And that's all completed. That's all you had to do. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.